talk, Allie? What do you want to say to everybody?
Thank you.
You want to say thank you? Why?
I cannot say thank you.
Why thank you? What did they do?
Don't give me candy.
Everybody gave you candy?
Yeah.
When? Where was I?
And Stephanie gave me gum.
Stephanie gave you gum?
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm going to have a talk with her. Who else gave you candy?
Grandpa.
Grandpa? Who else?
Grandma put me money for buy ice cream.
Grandma gave you money to buy ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You should buy a mushroom too.
Oh, who else gave you candy? Stop doing that, please.
I don't know.
You don't know who else?
Boots and Dora.
Boots and Dora gave you candy, Allie.
Yeah.
Mama, stop doing that. No, stop. It's not funny anymore. Do you want to tell everyone to have a good day?
Yeah.
Tell them.
Have a good day.
Who do you get to see tomorrow?
Daddy.
Daddy. Why are you playing with your wipes? Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Say love you all.
Love you all.
I can't see your face. Do you want to blow them kisses?